So in the life, when you are in dilemma, what to do, how to do, so your task is to first analyze the things which you have in your hand. Like you think you can grow yourself without the much help of others, but you know, like something based on that parameters, you know, deciding your dreams will be achieved or not. Uh, you have ample of time in your life to attain those goals which are actually you have kept for yourself. But I will tell you one thing that more clear vision, more clear you are with your dreams, that means you are not going to extend your legs outside of the area. Like for example, if you want to become an actor only, so you will not decide to do a lot of different things. Like you are not going to become a businessman, you are not going to become a singer, or you are not going to become a scientist. Those are the first valued parameters which you will keep for yourself, and you will analyze that, yeah, uh, based on this I'm proceeding towards my goals very fast. You must analyze for sure that every time I will say, like you should be financially strong a little bit, uh, and if you are not strong financially, then you have to save. You have to do certain savings. How you will do certain savings means you have to again, I will tell you have to work, what degrees you have. If you are an engineer only, then you have to work as a software engineer only. Whatever technical degree you have or non-IT degree you have to first work. You have to save money. That money will be counted for your success, because uh, wherever you will go, you have to attain an education for that degree. For that degree, you have to attain an education. Once you have that education, then you can enter in that field. Another thing is that you should be good in the communication skill. If you want to work in the Hindi movies, your Hindi should be good. If you want to work in English movies, then your English should be good. If you want to work in German movies, then your German should be good. Like you want to go where, so based on that, prepare for that. Every day prepare for that. Uh, Analyze your growth at the interval of every 6 months, at the interval of 1 year, then again at the interval of 2 years, how you have proceeded according to your plans. Because I know life is giving you ample of time to attain your goals, and if the time management is good, if you know the time management, then you are going to achieve the goals very soon. You are away from the hurdles, and of course I say that what is the advantage of self discipline. If you are good in discipline, if you are good in terms of self discipline, then you can see 100% 100% result. But if you are not good in the discipline, if you are lagging in the discipline, then you are not going to get what you want to get. You will attain something else. What you want to attain in your life, you will be deviated from that place, and you are going to attain something else. So what I say that you have to maintain a self discipline. A person who has maintained a self discipline has grown in their life completely, has grown in their life, and they have attained a big stardom in their life. Discipline makes a man, discipline creates a man, discipline creates money value, discipline creates good environment for you, Discipline brings success in your life every day. Every year you get something new. Every year you celebrate with some new achievement. Every year you are going to get a lot of good news from all over the world. Discipline is something like you have to be serious about it. Like, yeah, tomorrow if I have this workout to do, so I will wake up early in the morning, like 5, and I will do this workout, and then I will go for my work, daily job, office jobs, or whatever jobs you have. Then you are going to finish that work. In this way, I say that then only you can imagine that you are going to become successful. A self discipline creates a lot of things for you, and in this way you are going to get what you want to get. But in case you are seeing that even after attaining event, you are maintaining a self discipline, but after certain period of time you are seeing that results are going not coming, and what you are expecting, there are some mishappenings happen. Because of that you are thinking that it's taking going to take a long time in your life, and you cannot become successful on time. Then again I say that you can opt out certain different plans, or you can learn something new which is better than the previous learnings, which is actually better than your previous domain. You know something, for example, I say you know jogging, but you don't know yoga, so I say you go for yoga first. When you if you master your yoga, then you will go for gym, because gym is the need for the industry right now. uh, because you can be if you want to become an actor, then you will do gym. If you want, even singers, actors, every celebrities nowadays they are going for gym. But the yoga and everything is actually preparing you to become a person who used to go gym and enjoy gym and maintain a good physique with the help of gym. So you should see when you are broke, that means you are away from your exercise, might be first thing. If you are broke, that means you are away from your daily because of the exercises you maintain a good routine and enthusiasm entire day. So if you are missing your exercise, that means your enthusiasm level will be very down, very low. So in case if you are lagging in this area, I will recommend you that you can start doing gym. Or if you are new in yoga, go for yoga. If you are new in the field of starting an exercise, then to get prepared for jogging, walking, then jogging. Then you can go for yoga, as I said, and then you can go for gym. In this way, you are completely prepared for a new beginning. I say that in this way, you will not be in the broken state for longer time. You will be in a happy state for longer time. That means you are going to be happy lifetime. You don't need any support, big support, or any big advice. So you have to be a person who is able to take care of his own life in this way.